Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Got another weekend of Saturday projects to do, and the Southern California winds are back, but we've got to get out there and do this. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, 3 projects shouldn't be that big of a deal. One is just for me to reattach the skirting around the deck. As you know, I've been needing to do this for quite a while.
And I need to clear out the shed because we have some tool hangers, so we got to make space for those.
And last, we have a surprise box, and I think you have an idea who it came from. You ready?
It's going to be fun. Let's do it.
All right, let's go. Come on, Mac. You can see here that I've got some skirting planks that have fallen and gotten loose and disconnected from the decking. So what I'm going to do is, rather than use staples again, I'm going to drill small pilot holes and then use a small deck screw about 1 5/8 and just reconnect them. Now honestly guys, I'm really not too worried about how pretty this is going to look, but I want to at least just get this covered up so it looks a little bit nicer when we shoot videos. Luckily the piece didn't fall very far, and this is good enough. I know it doesn't reach the top, but it's good enough for what we're trying to do here. Just eyeballing it, we can get 2 pilot holes in there. Okay, I like it. Let's go see how Kim's doing.
Now I'm going to be clearing some space in the tool shed for our tool hangers. Now if you guys remember, back in December we did the clean out project here on the side and installed some storage. Well, MMM70 suggested the Suncast rolling tool cart, and thank you so much. It was a great suggestion that actually got me thinking, and I went online and looked, and we didn't have room for the rolling tool cart, but I did grab some hangers here that fit our space just right. So thanks a lot for that suggestion, really appreciate it. So this is for small hand tools, which we're going to put in this shed here. And in the shed right next to it, we're going to keep the longer, like shovels and rakes and things like that. So it's going to work really perfectly. So I'm just going to clear out some space, and then Jerry's going to come and help hang the tools.
All right, how's it going in here?
It's looking good here. I just drew a little line where I'd like this to be hung.
Perfect.
It's going to be nice to keep the tools organized for sure.
All right. Now this is also a Suncast made tool holder, so they must just have a catalog of things that you can install or put into sheds. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I was thankful for that the viewer gave us that suggestion, because I wouldn't have thought to do some tool organizers in here.
Yeah, very cool. All right, here we go. Just go into the corners.
Oh, that's going in nice. Just clear a little bit of space in here by hanging the tools, and then I've got some other things I can put on the shelves that will
Perfect.
keep it more organized. Yeah, but this is pretty sturdy plastic.
And it's also slanted, so everything leans back. That's a brilliant design right there.
Rusty little cultivator. Actually, this has a hole in it, so I can, in the handle, so I can just hang it there.
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
Anything else?
That one does too. I want to see how this works up here though. Here we go, we got a hand rake. Oh man, that's kind of nice. So it kind of does double duty with these hangers plus the top hanger.
All right, nice job.
I'm excited about that.
Same thing here?
Yes, and this one will be for larger tools.
Nice.
So a little bit lower here because we'll have shovels and everything sticking up top. I don't like how it tips back though to keep the tools in place.
Yeah, that's really smart.
Nice.
All right, try it.
Looks pretty solid.
Hey, this is gonna be nice.
There's a couple shovels in here I can try it out with.
Well, that way things don't fall out every time we open the door.
Oh, perfect. I don't use this one quite as often, but it's good to have it just in case.
Nice.
Oh, perfect. Wow, that's nice. Oh, that one's close to the ceiling, but I think that'll work
No,
pretty well.
you're good.
We ran out of daylight when we were filming the storage part of our project video. So we're back again, day 2, and we got a box in the mail. We cannot wait to share it with you guys.
Now, by way of review, in our last project video, we mentioned that we were having rain gutter issues here, and we're losing all this water. It's getting too close to the house, and that's when a lot of you suggested, well, why don't you guys get a rain barrel system? That could be really cool. You could capture that water and water your garden.
That's
And we
right.
thought, this could be a really fun group project to do together. We don't know much about rain barrel systems, and we've got so many great ideas from all of you. We said, let's go for it. So we reached out to gardeners.com and we said, hey, we've got this whole channel of viewers all over the world who want to do this rain barrel project together. Would you provide us with a rain barrel? And they did. Gardeners.com, you guys rock. Thank you.
Thanks, gardeners. We love you guys. Now, one of our main objectives for this whole project here was to keep it very simple. The water needed to be easy to access, easy to use. I wanted something that would fit in the small space that we have. It's not a big, huge space, and something that would be visually appealing. Well, what they sent us fit the bill.
That's right. Now, here's one thing we've learned already. You can keep rain barrel water collection, you can keep that really simple, and you can get really complicated.
Down the rabbit hole.
Right. So guess what? Which one we did?
Simple.
Simple. All right, here we go. Let's see it.
Big reveal. Here we go.
All right.
Ta-da!
That is gorgeous. Look
That
at
is
this.
so pretty. I love it.
This is a 40-gallon rain barrel system, and it comes with an overflow hose, a garden hose, and the necessary clamps, etc. Right? And here is where the water is kept. You can hold that up
There
into
you
the
go.
lens
40
there.
gallons. 40 gallons. Pretty good size.
Show the back real quick too.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the this is where the hoses connect and where the water drains out, and we'll cover that more in our installation video.
Garden hose hooks down here.
Now, any guesses what this might be?
I am so excited about this. Extra planting space, you guys. So I'm envisioning some thrillers, something nice and tall in the middle, some spillers spilling over the edge, either flowers or vegetables. I think it's really going to make this spot look really pretty. It's just a blank, empty wall, so it'll really brighten things up over here. So let me know what you think I should plant to fill the top of our rain barrel here.
This is awesome. Adrian Cap said in the comments, he said, hey, you guys do a really simple video for us so we can learn more about rain barrel systems, and that's exactly what we're doing here. And Sherry Osborne, who lives just over in LA, not far from here, said, and the last storm that we got out here in Southern Cal, she collected 32 gallons
Wow.
of one night of raining.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
In one night. So this is going to be really fun and really, really interesting. We're going to learn a lot, I can tell.
Yeah, we're really excited about this. Thank you guys so much for all of your suggestions.
Yep.
Looking forward to learning right along with you.
Make sure you join along. The next video, we'll do the installation together. We'll show you step-by-step close-up shots of what we're doing. We'll learn together and we'll get more feedback from you all. So make sure you're subscribed. Turn on notifications so you get the email when we upload our next video.
And if you want to join us in our rain barrel excursion here, I'll put a link to this rain barrel in the video description below. And thanks again, gardeners, for supplying it with
Yeah,
us. We cannot
really
wait to get
cool.
it installed. Hopefully we get a few more days of rain here in California. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next video.